Dah.
Dah.
Sudah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Evi Handayani. Today I will review a film with title My True Friends, and this is a Thailand film. This film based on true story. Where this film tells about friendships between a group of young men who call themselves a sperm gang. The story begins with the transfers of male students named Song, who is since going to his new school on foot in the middle of the crowd in Bangkok. Among the many vehicles passing through the streets were two young men who were running like they were being chased by the enemy. The two young men named Gun and Kla. They ended up getting into a fight in public place, and coincidentally, Songs was also in the same place, and there was just silence watching the fight that took place. Song did not know to do until his girl noticed him and asked him to leave that place. Moving to the other side, when we arrived at school, Songs met the girl who had taken him away from the place where he had been. A beautiful girl who is usually called a name, and she turns out to be in the same class as Songs because they happen to be in the same department. Name tells Songs never to get involved with the students named Gun because he has a hobby of fighting. When the three of them were cool chattings, Gun came. They seems to avoid the gun and look displeased when they saw Gun. Especially Name had Gun because Name took that the gun had caused his brother to die. Gun with his sperm gang, he's play football, and on the other hand, Sang just come home from schools on foot and pass the place where Gun and his friends are playing football. Instead, the ball they were playing led to the songs that was running alone. Then Sang kicked it on and it one of his gun friends named Charms until his nose was bleeding. They are all angry because they don't accept Songs has hurt his best friends and will beat Songs. But Gun managed to intervene, so there is no fight and instead praise Songs that he kicks are good and invites him to join the football. When they were out together, Songs accidentally saw a man who knew as his sister boy's friends was in a cave with another woman. Songs was very sure that he did not see wrong, and when Songs approached the man, it turns out that it was true that he was a sister boy's friends who was often broke home, made Songs and his brother often quarrel. After that, because Songs was very emotions, he decided to punch the guy in the face, and they all got into fight. Seeing all the fighting, one of their friends named Nick was scared because he also couldn't fight, so he decided to hide in the car and lock it. Then the caf owner contacted the police to stop the fighting, and after the police arrived, they were confused to escape, including the sperm gang. After that, in a prison, Cloud was very annoyed with Nick because Nick locked his car. They all had to be arrested by the police. Clark couldn't hold back his emotions, so he kept blaming Nick for what happened. Gunn and the others tried to calm them down, but it doesn't work. They get even more emotional until the police come to tell them that they were realized because they have been granted by their parents. Finally, their friendship is getting messed up due to misunderstanding that occurs until one day one of their enemies named Beer tells one of tells guns and songs that some their friends names Kang, one of their enemies, going to do some things bad to the sperm gang. At first, they didn't believe it because bears were Kang's friends, but Kang said the truth and wanted to help them because bears like their friendship, which looked solitary. At midnight, they all come to the place where Todd was being held to save them. Todd is his friends that and then they fought together under the pouring rain with beating wounds on their bodies and officers. They all have the same goals, which to save Todd, even though they outnumbers their opponents, but they managed to save Todd. On New Year's, they all gathered to do the countdown together. They were very enthusiastic and they start counting down until they heard a sound of Happy New Year. But while they were in the car park, they were suddenly attacked by a gang, so they got into another fight. And in that fight, the gun was stabbed by a knife, but as much as possible, he covered the wounds so that his friends would not know. When when Gun come to meet his friends, his face already looked very pale, and finally, he fell unconscious. Gun was then taken to the hospital and immediately received treatments from doctor. All of his friends had come to the hospital and of course shocked to hear that news that Gun was admitted to the hospital. Guns has also arrived at the hospital, and the doctor tries to save the gun, and they all look panic and sad. After the doctor come out of the room, Gun's father asks about his sons, and the doctor said the gun could not be saved. So this is a story berakhir dengan sad ending. Okay, I think that's all my review about this film. Any questions?
Enggak.
No questions? Okay.
Ini recordnya enaknya tiap satu orang presentasi apa sampai terakhir yang presentasi nanti? Hola.
Sampai habis aja kali ya.
Sampai habis aja sih.
Oke. Ya udah, siapa yang mau
Biar
maju?
kalian gitu.
Kalau nggak ada Sela mau maju nih. Boleh. Marcel itu mau maju nggak?
Marcel, Tian.
Oke. Ayo kok.
Gak
Nggak
ada suaranya.
Gak ada.
Duit. Dava. Baru mau kakak bilang, Pak. Nyerah kakak. Skip aja. Skip lama Mars.
Kalau nggak di ini aja di skip dulu loh nge-record biar nggak panjang.
Ya udah skip dulu ya recordnya.